Alright, so here at the baby bird cage, I have been letting my brother help out off camera a little bit more with these animals because he really likes the baby ducks and he's making them super friendly. Oh, whoa, their food. I'm gonna have to go on to him about that. Can't waste food. And, chicks' water out. Ducks' water's out. Alright. I'm gonna be back with a simple refill for them. Yeah, I know. You're pointing at your water. Can't get any. Alright. Alright, so at this point, I'm losing daylight and super fast. So right now, I got the chick water, which is kind of low. And I got the duck water. Alright, so I'm gonna have to start going super speed. They're completely out. So fill them all the way to the top now, because they're getting old enough. We're gonna need a refill all the way top. Gotta beat daylight for you guys to see everything. Incubator area has 0 light. So I'm gonna have to make it over there super fast. I forgot to check for eggs, I think. I don't remember. I'm gonna go recheck for eggs. I don't remember if they're working or not. I clicked them out. Okay. There's y'all's water. Y'all don't need food for like a year. Okay. There's y'all's food. Alright, and then for the chicks, check them out. Alright, their food, that can just be spun around. Now they can get to it. Their water. Okay, just get everything out of there. Alright, their water's fine. And, yeah, they're done. Okay. Alright, that's it in here. All is good. Now to head and see if... So for the dogs... Dog's food today consists of 1 coffee mate, both, oh wait, forgot something, and 1 country stew. Oh boy, change things up a bit for them. There we go, dog's food set. Okay, so they do still have tons of water. These 2 bowls are just about empty, but their water is completely full. They're good on food. Their food's completely full. Alright, now let's check on the eggs. Egg area. Alright. And nothing today. Okay, I see how it is. Okay. One of them ran right through the water. Must be a dog. Alright, that's it. We're done today. We need to check in with the incubator.